UK inheritance tax and gift with a reservation benefit. Under the UK inheritance tax rule, the gift with a reservation benefit provision can cause tax planning to backfire if not carefully managed. Many parents consider gifting their home to their children to reduce their estate inheritance tax liability, as property gifted more than 7 years before death is typically exempt from the inheritance tax. However, under gift with reservation benefit, if the original owner continued to benefit from the property in any way, such as living in or even occasionally staying at the property without paying market rent, it remained part of their estate for inheritance tax purpose. Even something as seemingly minor as staying over for 2 weeks a year or regular weekend to see the grandchildren could be treated as reservation of benefit. In such cases, despite the property being legally transferred to the children, value may still be subject to 40% inheritance tax. Experts warn that families attempting to reduce inheritance tax through property gifting should carefully structure their arrangement to avoid any future mistake. This often include paying market rent if the parents continue to using the property in any capacity. Consulting with a tax professional is an essential to ensure compliance and to avoid undermining tax planning strategies aiming to reduce inheritance tax purpose. We have uploaded more than 900 videos in our YouTube channel, subject related to UK startup, business and tax.